How to block your iPhone from updating to iOS 26. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on the general option there. Further, tap on the software update option and you will then see the option for automatic updates. Tap on that and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for iOS updates under automatically install and under automatically download too. Once you have toggled off the iOS updates toggle buttons, your iPhone will no longer update automatically to the latest version of iOS. So this is how you can block your iPhone from updating to iOS 26. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.